I just got the K-Brands Auger drill set for review. Now this drill set is incredible for aerating your dirt, for digging holes for plants, or for fence posts, or for whatever you want. Instead of using a shovel, you use a power drill and these incredible drill bits. They're made out of alloy steel and they are protected with this really good coating, so they're very durable. And let me show you which ones I got here. This is the 3-inch diameter by 12-inch. Then you have the 2.5-inch by 16.5-inch. This one so far is my favorite. You can see I've already used it quite a bit. It's already quite dirty. They all have points on the ends, so they really just go in real easily. And I'll show you that in a minute. Then you have the 2-inch by 14.5-inch. Another great size, really great for making those smaller holes when you're planting. And finally, you have the 1.6 diameter by 8.6. Now here's how they work. You simply take the one you want, stick it in your power drill. I will tell you right now that the drill is going to be your weakest point. These are extremely strong and can go through very hard dirt, but you may want to use a corded drill. My drill can barely handle these. Simply aim it at the ground you want to dig and turn it on. It'll go straight in, and I didn't have to dig at all. So it takes care of everything for me. And if I have it go the other way, it'll come right back up. Or if I had held it down there, and if I just hold it in place, I'll actually pull the dirt up and make that great hole right there, which is very impressive. I can also use it to aerate the dirt. And that will also pull up any weeds or anything that's in there. It does a really good job. And it's all with the simple drill bit. This is gonna save me so much time this spring and summer as I plant my garden and take care of my plants throughout the summer. And I know it'll save you time as well. I definitely recommend the K-Brands drill bit set.